Finding a budget-friendly air fryer that actually delivers crispy, delicious results shouldn't feel like a guessing game. First up, the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro solves the headache of trying to cook massive family meals in a cramped kitchen. This 30-quart powerhouse packs an ultra-fast convection system and a smarter temperature probe to ensure your food is never undercooked. It features an impressive 142 presets and a completely PFAS-free design for healthier cooking. If you have a large family or live in an RV, this space-saving toaster oven and grill combo is your perfect match. Imagine roasting a whole 10-pound chicken to juicy perfection, while the smart probe automatically shuts off the heat at the exact right moment. Next, at number 2, the Gourmia 8-quart digital air fryer eliminates all the stressful guesswork from your daily meal prep. It features 12 one-touch cooking functions alongside helpful guided prompts that remind you exactly when to preheat and turn your food. The intuitive angled touchscreen shows both time and temperature simultaneously, making it incredibly easy to monitor. This is ideal for busy parents who need a large, reliable basket that is completely dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. You can easily whip up a batch of healthy, dehydrated apple chips for the kids' lunches with just a single tap. Now for number 3. The COSORI TurboBlaze solves the common issue of unevenly cooked meals and slow air frying times. It features a unique 5-speed fan system that reaches speeds up to 3,600 RPM to deliver perfectly even heat distribution. Health-conscious cooks will love the PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating on the spacious 6-quart square basket. If you want a fast, versatile appliance that fits neatly on your counter, this 9-in-1 machine is built for you. It lets you proof bread dough at 90 degrees or air fry crispy chicken wings at 450 degrees in record time. Coming in at number 4, the Emeril Lagasse French door air fryer solves the problem of kitchen counter clutter by replacing multiple appliances. This 26-quart unit features 24 cooking functions, a dual-speed fan, and elegant French doors that open easily with a single pull. It even has a specialized toast timer with an automatic shutoff to guarantee you never burn your bread again. This is perfect for home chefs who love hosting large gatherings and want a sleek, stainless steel aesthetic. You can easily bake a crispy pizza or roast a whole chicken while monitoring the progress through the illuminated glass doors. And finally, number 5. The Frigidaire 5-in-1 air fryer combo oven solves the issue of losing heat when checking on your food. It features a bright interior light with a large viewing window, alongside 5 versatile cooking modes including a dedicated rotisserie. The 12.6-quart capacity is highly space efficient, and the cooking surfaces are completely PFAS-free. Anyone who wants to expand their cooking repertoire with rotisserie meals without buying a massive oven will love this setup. You can easily roast a succulent chicken using the included rotisserie kit and watch it brown to perfection. Make sure to check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on all of these air fryers. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know which one of these you are choosing, or what product we should review next. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!